Have you ever tried touching your car touchscreen monitor when the car is moving? Well, if you're having difficulty at time like me, like this, or like this, then this solution is for you. Let me introduce you to this button. No battery or power needed, simply just hang it. This Model 3 is using capacitive touchscreen. It means it will react to conductive object comes in contact. Let's say my finger. But if I use non-conductive object to tap it, it will not register. This button is good case of use for reporting feedbacks, since in motion the car will not trigger a false report even when you hit speed bumps or the vehicle shakes a lot, unless you tap it with a finger. Baby finger. No, not a baby finger. Real human flash finger. If you're wondering why the feedback button on the left, not on the right, if I put it on drive, then it will switch to the right. Please share this video to FSD beta tester, and I hope this video helps those people who are helping Tesla. See you later and thank you for watching.